It's not until you're actually in the environment working on it hands-on until you truly feel it. My name is Bailey. I am an audio engineering student. Today I'm here at RISING doing my work placement.
It's just amazing to see how these teams come together to actually make it all happen. My name's Chloe and I'm on the lighting team at Carriageworks tonight.
I've learned a lot in SAE and meet a lot of people. I feel like I'm ready for entering the music industry. This is a great chance for me to apply what I have learned.
A team really brings an event like this together, and there's so many aspects of this production that all come together as one, and it's really cool to see that happen.
To be a part of a festival like RISING is pretty amazing. I've learnt in this industry, if you love what you do, you'll go far. If you can share those experiences with others, it's something that I don't think you could really have in any other job.
Being here and being live has just really opened my eyes. It's pretty unreal, to be honest.